Yeah. So this is the function. Similarly, if you want to become a Power BI developer, so first of all, you should know SQL. That's the prerequisite, mandatory skill. And apart from that, you should know about that Power BI tool. So I don't think that will take much time. Hardly if you will work for 1 week, that is more than enough, more than enough to understand Power BI. So very simple.
Okay.
Okay. And it is getting momentum these days. The only reason is that the Power BI will give you more visualization effect and all those things. You can slice and dice data. You can see from multiple angles and dimensions. That is that Power BI is getting more momentum these days. And like data scientists, they can analyze data, they can visualize data on Power BI. That is the only purpose nowadays. Everyone is talking about Power BI. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Okay. So let's start the session now. And guys, like I have some urgent commitments, so maybe I will leave around 10:15 today. Okay, I've got some task to complete. So fine, let's start. Someone has messaged. Good morning, sir. Sorry, got it. No problem. Okay, fine. So we all are here. Sandeep Vaidyanathan has not joined. Okay, fine. Okay, shall we start, guys?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Before proceeding, any question? I know Shivanshu, you have question, but before that, anyone else who has any question on the topics what we have discussed or anything in general, apart from Shivanshu? No question. Okay. Then Shivanshu has asked a question to me. Okay, let's start with that question. And this was actually an assignment which I have given to you guys. My screen is visible or not?
Yeah, visible.
Okay, fine.
visible.
Okay. Okay, so this was the question which Shivanshu has asked, and actually this was the assignment which I have given. So let's discuss about this. This is a table which I have created and inserting some record into this. SQL command not properly indented. What's the mistake? We'll find this. What's the mistake, guys? Where is the mistake? SQL command not properly indented. I'm getting error message. What you have done, Shivanshu? Sending error message. SQL command not properly indented. 1F690.
Let me see.
There's some mistake in this line.
I have used int back at one. So you have to use number.
No, that's not a problem. This should show because there's work for that as well. It is slow today again. Let's wait if it can show this number. I think it is done again today. If not working, we will switch on Microsoft SQL Server and see there. Okay, the rows are inserted. I think this one is inserted or not. So that's inserted, and I'm not sure this is a duplicate record. What? Okay, is this fine? Can you guys find any duplicate records? Yeah, this is a duplicate record. That's good. Perfect. Insert a duplicate record. Let's drop this table. Table drop. Let me create the table again. record inserted. Start from the student. Okay, we have inserted this data. Fine. Now the question is, let's start with this one. I'm executing this. Okay, first of all, and before that, let me put this in a table. Output of this. This is student table. This is the query. So for this query, we will analyze the output. Let's analyze the output. So is the output, right? Okay. Let me check. This is okay. Now let's try to understand why we got this output. I think we have given this last time, right? Hello.
Yeah. Yes.
Just a minute, guys. 1 minute. I'm keeping this on hold. 1 minute. Okay, fine. So this is the output we got because of
Your
this.
your
After running,
file your file name is ETL Jan.
file name is ETL Jan. Sorry.
It should be like SQL, na? File name.
File name is ETL Jan.
Ex
No problem, no
Excel.
problem. Just keep
Okay,
that.
okay.
No problem. Okay. I think okay. Good catch. I'm running on some other file ETL Jan. I think this was we are doing it on this, no, yesterday. Correct. Sorry, I'm doing on this ETL one. Let me copy this. The SQL file. Okay, so this is the output we got from this query, and that's what we want to understand. Anyone who wants to explain that, okay, how we got this as an output?
Yeah. I will explain.
Okay, yeah, tell me.
Yeah, in this where marks equal to 90 and subject not equal to chemistry, it will consider one statement. Subject not equal to maths as considers second means uh, like that. The SQL engine will understand. Marks equal to
Okay.
90 and subject not equal to chemistry is 1. Subject
Mhm.
not equal to maths is 2. In both the
Mhm.
cases, 1 or 2, it will display the result. First case, it is 90 is working first record marks equal to 90 and subject not equal to chemistry, so that's why it will fetch the first record a physics 90.
Mhm.
Second record means subject not equal to math, so that's why chemistry record is like that.
Correct, Sandeep. Okay, perfect. So see, correct explanation, Sandeep has told. So first of all, yeah, so this is the output of this query. Yeah, mentioned mass is equal to 90 and subject is not equal to chemistry and subject is not equal to maths. Okay, so if you're not taking subject as not equal to chemistry, so automatically, physics and maths will be fetched. Physics or maths will be fetched. Then again, you have made subject is not equal to maths. So physics or chemistry will be fetched. Okay, you're getting my point. So that is why you are getting all the data, whether it is, suppose here it is 95, but you have mentioned marks is equal to 90. Then why we got this output? Because you have mentioned marks is equal to 90. Then how you got this output? This is
Subject not equal
95.
to maths.
Because you have mentioned subject is not equal to maths. So here
Yeah.
subject is chemistry. That's why you got output. But even marks is equal to 90. But this condition is not getting confirmed. But this condition is matching. Okay. But overall, I will tell you a best practice. Don't get confused with this query. Okay. If anyone is writing this query, so the way this query has been written, I know that I have written. Okay. I know I have written. But if you're writing this query, so this is not a correct way. I will tell you why. See, there are certain rules for writing a query. It doesn't mean that you're getting output, everything is correct. First of all, you should understand what you're trying to write. Okay. Always use brackets. Like, see this one, this query. So from this query, what I'm trying to tell is marks is equal to 90. I want marks is equal to 90. This is one condition. And then I'm using and apart from marks is equal to 90, this condition must be matched. What is this condition? We will discuss. Don't bother about that. Okay. So always, whenever you're writing any SQL query, please make a habit. These are the best practice. Where marks is equal to whatever it may be. Okay. Whatever it may be. I'm not bothered about that. 90, 80, whatever it may be. Okay. And subject is equal to, okay, whatever it may be you are using. Let me write like this. Whatever. Please go on mute. Okay, so see here what you have to do is always use conditions. So suppose here mass is equal to 99. Keep this in a bracket. Keep this in separate brackets. So try to use bracket. This is what I want to highlight. Okay, if you have multiple conditions, please use bracket. From this query, what I'm trying to tell is that marks is equal to 90. This is the first condition I want. Then second condition is like a mix of multiple conditions. I am telling I am not bothered. Subject is not equal to chemistry or subject is not equal to maths. Okay, the both conditions are fine for me. So this is one condition. This is one condition. Similarly, if I'm writing query like this, so here I'm mentioning, so okay, again, this is not correct. Query is correct, but the way is not correct because here the user will get confused what exactly you want to say. Okay, so make a habit to separate the requirement, what you want to write. Okay, I will show you with the help of some other examples, and then that will become more clear. Fine. Suppose we have this data. This is the data we have. Suppose here I will forget about these three queries first of all, guys. Okay, let me tell you how to write a query whenever you have under our condition. My voice is audible, no? I'm
Yeah,
not
audible.
speaking to myself. Okay. Suppose if I will ask you that, okay, Shivanshu, that write a query to fetch me the details of a student who has scored 90 marks. Tell me what would be the query for that. Come on, quick.
Select star from student where marks equal to 90.
Where marks is equal to?
Equal to 90.
This is clear to everyone? Simple?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, simple. Fine. You got all these informations. Okay. Now coming back to the old condition. Sorry, coming back to the main table. Try to understand this. Okay. This is simple condition. Now I am telling that, okay, marks is equal to 90, but I want subject to be chemistry only. So what I will write? I will write like this. Correct, no? And subject
Yeah.
is equal to chemistry. Is this clear to everyone? I am telling that fetch me the details of a student who has scored 90 marks and in chemistry subject, and subject is equal to chemistry. So is this a correct query or not? Yeah, jaldi tell me.
Yeah.
Fast.
Yeah.
Okay. Subject invalid identifier. We have done the mistake here. Marks is equal to 90 and subject is equal to chemistry. We have done the mistake. Oh, this is subject. No, I've used SUV. Subject is equal to chemistry. Someone is taking breakfast. Please go on mute. Okay. Okay. So this is the output. So is this correct? Marks is equal to 90 and subject is equal to chemistry.
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone is convinced? Understood?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Now next question. Next question. Next question is, now try to understand. I'm going to make it complicated now. Next question is, fetch me the details of a students. Fetch me the details of a students who has scored either 90 marks, who has scored either 90 marks or subject is equal to chemistry. Who has scored either 90 marks or subject is equal to chemistry. Okay, let's analyze this first of all manually. Shivanshu, why I'm analyzing this manually? No, because to make you understand. Okay, you see, I have written the query. So from this query, I will, oh, no, sorry. Let me run this first. You guys will get confused. See, from this output, marks is equal to 90. Marks is
90.
equal to 90. But this is
90.
95, no? Why I got this? They should not come, right?
Subject equal to chemistry.
Subject equal to
Chemistry.
But I have mentioned or. I
Or.
mentioned or. That if this is condition is getting matched, well and good, fetch me the data. If this is getting matched, that is also well and good, fetch me the data, no issues. So which one is getting matched? Fetch me that data. Okay, if both are getting matched, then also it is well and good.
Yes.
So our condition is very user friendly. Okay, okay, this is user friendly, and condition is a strict condition. Okay, so you got the output. You understood this?
Yes.
No,
Yes.
not understood.
Yes.
Yes,
Understood,
Understood.
I
everyone?
understood. Understood.
Everyone understood?
Understood, sir.
Understood. Okay, now let me make this little bit complicated now. Now I'm telling that fetch me the details of the students. Let me write a separate query. Now I'm telling fetch me the details of the students. Fetch me the details of the students. Who has scored 90 marks? Who has scored 90 marks? First of all, no, let me delete this. You guys will think other way. First of all, I am telling write a query to fetch the student details who have scored 90 marks and who has scored 90 marks and subject should not be maths or physics. First of all, don't think about query. First of all, tell me what is the question. Who will explain me?
Yeah, where marks equal to 90 and subject equal to chemistry.
No. I am telling that because here you can see that we have only physics, chemistry, and maths. Maybe you have history,
understand.
civics, geology, and many other subjects, right?
Okay.
So what I'm asking from this question?
Yeah, understand. Where marks equal to 90 and subject subject
Subject
not equal to maths or physics.
I am not interested in maths and physics subject, right? I'm not interested in math and physics subject. Maybe like many students, they have scored in 10th examination, sorry, 12th examination, more than 90 or 90 in maths and physics. So I am not interested in those guys. I want to see apart from maths and physics, except maths and physics, who has scored 90 and in which subject? Are you getting my question? First of all, try to understand the question. If anyone has scored 90 in maths and physics, I don't want those details because that is common. Suppose everyone has scored that. But I want to see those student details who has scored 90 but not in maths or physics. Is the question clear?
clear.
Yes.
Clear,
Okay.
clear.
So the query is select a star from a student where marks is equal to 90. Till here this is fine. We have covered this condition we have covered. No? We scored 90 marks. Now coming to this one, and now see here you have multiple
And subject
conditions.
is not equal to maths and
Subject is not equal to maths or physics. Then I will write subject is not equal to math
or physics.
or subject is not equal to physics. See, first of all, try to understand this query and why I have it given bracket. I want to show you the importance of bracket and make a habit of writing bracket like this. See, this entire condition, I have kept this in bracket because this is a separate condition. This is a separate condition because you want that subject must not be maths or physics. That is why I kept this in a separate bucket. Okay, this is one condition. Always keep one condition in one bucket. Okay, so this is the use of bracket. You should always write like this. Now I'm executing this. Maths, physics, subject. Oh, okay, fine. We have to use here on and condition, no? Because you strictly don't want math and physics both. So if you're using or, so this is getting satisfied. Now chemistry is coming, no? So when you are using or here, what is happening? I'll tell you what is happening here. This is the record. Okay. Now let me tell you what is happening in this case. First of all, let me paste the result here. This is the output. Let's try to understand why this is coming. This is the query. Now let's try to understand this. Yeah. Now see what is happening here is the screen is visible clearly.
Yeah, clear.
Okay. Now let's try to understand why this is coming. You have mentioned that I want marks is equal to 90. So till here, if I will consider marks is equal to 90, so this is the one marks is equal to 90, and then this is the one marks is equal to 90, correct? And then this is the one marks is equal to 90. So far, so good. Is it clear? Now, coming to the next condition, you have mentioned that subject is not equal to maths. Okay, subject is not equal to maths. No, okay. So the subject is not equal to maths. So tell me, this will be satisfied or not?
Yes.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
satisfied.
Satisfied. But then you will tell that this is telling subject is not equal to physics. Then they should not be satisfied.
Our condition. We are
Very
using
good.
our.
We are using or condition here. So in or condition, if anyone is fulfilled, that will give you the data. So that is why subject is not equal to maths. This is getting fulfilled, right? This is getting fulfilled, correct? No.
Yes.
So even if this is getting failed, I am not bothered about this because this is telling that no, I don't want subject physics, correct? No. So, but you will tell that there is a or condition. So in or condition, even if one condition is getting fulfilled, I will fetch the data. So based on this, you will get this particular record. Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
now
clear.
tell me, here you have told that I don't want, in the query you have told I don't want physics, right? Subject is not equal to physics, correct? No. So now tell me, this will come or not? This will also come because subject is not equal to mass. This condition is getting fulfilled and subject is not equal to mass and physics is not equal to mass. So you will get this data as well. Is it clear? No, not clear.
Yeah, clear.
Everyone?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes.
Yes, clear.
And then what about this one? You will get this record or not?
Yeah, we will get.
Yeah,
You will get, because here
Yeah.
automatically both the condition is satisfied. Subject is not equal to maths. That is correct. Chemistry is not equal to maths. Or subject is not equal to physics. So you don't have to, in our condition, no need to go for the second condition is first is getting fulfilled. I'm telling you a shortcut.
Yeah.
But if you want, you can go. But I'm telling you a shortcut. In our condition, if you see the first condition is getting fulfilled, fetch that data. Okay. So here you can see chemistry. Chemistry is not equal to maths. You get this, you will get this record, right? Next one, maths. Subject is not equal to maths. So this should not come, no? We should not get this data, right? We should not get this data, correct? Because you have mentioned subject is not equal to maths.
But subject not equal to
No.
chemistry, right? Subject not equal to chemistry. So that's why it's fetching. Our condition we are using.
Oh, okay. In our condition, you have mentioned subject is not equal to physics and
Physics.
maths is not equal to physics. Okay,
Physics.
but Sandeep, this condition is saying I don't want math subject. Then why you are fetching maths here?
But it is saying not physics.
But the second condition is getting fulfilled. The subject is not equal to physics. That is why we got this output. So that's why this is the output of this query. Okay. So
Yeah.
the correct query is you have to use and condition instead of or. You have to use and condition because your principal has told that no, I don't want to see maths or physics. So you have to use and condition. Now, if you'll use and condition, so here, if both the conditions are getting matched, then only you will get the data. And that is what you will get here, only chemistry. See,
Sir,
only
I
chemistry
have
is
one
coming.
question.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, on the Excel part.
Excel part. Yeah. Sure. Yeah. Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, that second query, which is 3C Physics 90, second on the left hand side, on the first table,
First
table.
say physics
Yes,
90. This
3C
one.
Physics. When we got this line, sir. So my doubt is, on the first condition, if we have physics and in the second place math, then also it will be fetched, right?
Okay. Good question. So Akshay is asking that Tanvir, instead of this, correct me, Akshay, if this is the same question you're asking.
Yes.
This is the one.
So
What you want?
Yes. So you were talking about that it should be if the user have the first query in the shortcut which you told me. That is, I want to understand in this way.
Okay. You are talking from that shortcut perspective, right?
Yes.
Okay. Let me tell you that. But first of all, let me tell you one concept. Whether you write subject is not equal to physics, means you are interchanging the data. Here you have written subject is not equal to maths and then physics. But here you're writing physics and maths. Okay. There will be no change.
No change.
Everything will be same. Only the thing is this logical operator, if it is same, change that value. Okay. So not value, the positions. So nothing will happen. Okay. But you should not change this or. If it is from this or, if you're making this and, everything will change.
Okay.
If the logical operator is same, so change the position, nothing will happen. First of all, make it clear, everyone. Okay.
Yes.
Whether it using or and or whatever it is, if you're just changing the position, everything will be same. Is this clear?
Clear, sir.
Everyone? Okay. Now, okay. Akshay was asking about the shortcut, what you have told. Okay. I'm discussing about that. Listen to that very carefully, guys. Okay. Listen to that very carefully. See, I have mentioned subject is not equal to physics. Okay. Then I mentioned subject is not equal to maths. Okay. I have mentioned these two conditions. Okay. Suppose subject. Suppose, forget about all these things. Let's discuss about the or condition, how it behaves. And I know you all know, just I'm repeating this. If I'm telling subject is not equal to physics, chemistry will be taken, will come or not?
Yeah, chemistry, max.
Hold on. If I'm telling subject is not equal to physics, maths will also come. That is correct. Chemistry will come or not? Yes or no?
It will come.
Everyone agree?
Yes, sir.
It will come.
Yeah.
Maths will also be there. I agree. But chemistry will be there or not? First of all, tell me this.
It will be.
Yes.
It will be there. Very good. Now try to understand. Now suppose instead of this subject is not equal to maths, suppose I have mentioned subject is not equal to chemistry. I mentioned subject is not equal to chemistry and you're using or operator. Then you will discard this value of chemistry?
No, why?
No. 1 minute, Sandeep, 1 minute. Akshay, you tell me. You will discard this value of chemistry?
Sir, I will go and check for the second condition.
No. From the first condition, subject is not equal to physics. You are getting chemistry as an output, correct?
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
Maths will also be there. Let me write maths.
Yes.
But forget about maths for the time. Chemistry will be there. Damn sure, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Now I'm checking the second condition. Second condition is telling that I don't want chemistry. I don't want. Subject is not equal to chemistry. I don't want chemistry.
Yes.
So don't not tell me yes or no. You will discard this chemistry value, yes or no?
No, sir.
No. Why you will not discard Akshay this chemistry value?
Sir, due to this OR condition, and we already
Very
satisfied the
good,
first.
very good, very good, very good.
Yeah.
So because we are talking about OR condition,
Mhm.
and OR condition means if the first condition is getting some data,
Yeah.
if the first condition is getting some data, I am not bothered the second condition is accepting it or not, accepting it or reject. I'm not bothered about this. If any one condition, the first condition is telling that this will be there, I will directly pick this and I will keep this in my table.
Okay.
Correct? No, I
Correct.
will not bother about the second condition. So that is what I told you, that this is the shortcut.
Got it.
Just check the first condition. What all data you are getting, that must be there. Whether
Okay.
the second condition is accepting it, rejecting it, or whatever it may be. You got
Okay.
this point?
Got it, sir.
That is what I told. This is like a shortcut. Just check the first condition. Like once we used to write certifications. Okay. So in those certifications, like very less time was there. And so there's some tricks we have used. Okay. And some complex questions used to be there. So many other tricks are there. I will tell you, but this is a very simple one. So you
Yes.
should not bother the second condition is fetching or not.
Yes.
Is this clear to everyone?
Clear, sir.
Hello, everyone clear?
Clear, sir. Clear.
Yeah,
Yes.
clear.
Okay. But suppose if this is and, if this is and subject is not equal to physics, you got chemistry here, right? But the second is condition is telling that I don't want chemistry. I don't want
Yeah.
chemistry.
Correct.
So this is like a business partnership. So in business partner, and is like a business partnership. Suppose Sandeep and Akshay, they have started a business. So Sandeep cannot take any decisions independently, right? Sandeep will not tell that I don't know Akshay will agree or not. You both are business partners, so you both have to be you both have to agree on a point. Is that clear?
Clear,
So
sir.
and is like a business partner. If this is telling the subject is not equal to physics, so chemistry will come. So he will check from this condition as well. If this condition is telling that no, I don't want chemistry, so this will be discarded. This will be discarded. So in and you have to be very alert. You have to check the test of both the conditions. Now is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Yeah, clear.
Some
Everyone?
question.
Yeah, clear.
Yeah, Shivanshu, you have question?
Like in the first table, we
This
have
table.
just yes, in the first table we have seen with the marks 90, only with the marks 90, and
marks
we have
90, correct.
compared. Now,
Uh-huh.
if in the question there is where student equal to 90 or subject not equal to maths or subject not equal to physics.
Uh-huh.
Now, instead of and, if we will write or, then in the first table we will see only 90 data, or we will see 95 also. We will compare.
Oh, okay. So I think the same question you are asking, that I want the marks 90 and subject is not equal to maths or subject is not equal to physics. Oh, instead of this and you are telling I want or here.
Yes, or.
Oh, okay. Very good. Good question.
So, in the first table, we will compare with marks 90, or we will compare with all the marks.
Okay, good question. See, let's analyze this manually first of all. Okay, then I will show you from this. Let's analyze like this. See, any language you have to learn or write codes in a systematic manner. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to make you understand. So whenever you're writing any query or analyzing the query, so you have to analyze in systematic manner. First of all, stop here. Select from a student where marks is equal to 90, correct? So first of all, select wherever marks is 90. Marks is 90. Okay, so always analyze the query like this only. Sometime when you will start working the real project, you will get 200 lines of code, 300 lines of code. So analyze this like this, it will become very easy. Okay, this is the one condition. Now, first of all, you are using or here. Even if the second condition will suppose discard this value, second condition will tell that no, I don't want this physics. You will discard this or not?
Yes.
Yes.
No.
That is what I taught you, that in or condition, here this is or, here it is or condition.
Or.
Even if the second condition is discarding this yellow color highlighted value, this will never be discarded. You will always accept this. Why?
Accept.
Because this is or condition, no?
Our
First
condition,
condition is satisfied.
Or condition. That is what we have discussed here, no? I mean, I've written or. That the first condition is telling that I want this, then you have to
Satisfied.
accept that if it is or
Okay.
condition. So
Hmm.
this must be there. This yellow will be there.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, clear.
Clear.
Clear, sir. Clear.
Now, or condition, then you are using or condition, and you have mentioned subject is not equal to maths. Subject is not equal to maths. Not, don't think about yellow because already they are selected, right? They all are
Okay.
selected. Now subject is not equal to maths. Shall I select this? Chemistry?
Yeah.
Yes.
Selected.
Let me give this another color. Subject is not equal to maths. This will also be selected.
Yeah, selected.
This will also be selected.
Yeah, selected.
Now entire table will be selected.
Yeah.
That's all. So when you will run this, Shivanshu, you will get the entire data.
Okay.
Okay. Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Yes.
But suppose again you can have one more new scenario in this, maybe that okay, Tanvir, this is fine, marks is equal to 90, but yeah, here I want instead of or I want and. Instead of or
Yeah.
I want and. Okay, this is the twist. So let me change the color of this. Change the color. Now here you have to alert. I'm repeating, whenever and condition is coming, you have to be alert.
Both
Okay.
conditions. Yeah.
So here you're telling I don't want maths and I don't want physics. I don't
Yeah.
want maths
Maths
and I
and
don't
physics.
want physics. Now tell me, you will take this chemistry?
Yeah. We will
Yes.
take.
Yeah, because
Yeah, we
both
will
the
take.
conditions are matched. You will take this. Very good. Now next, don't want maths, don't want physics. You will take this.
No.
No, you will take this.
Yes.
Chemistry.
Yes.
So only chemistry will be selected.
Yeah.
So only this will be the output.
Clear, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is this clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Clear.
Yeah.
Clear.
Okay, very good. That's good. Shivanshu is trying very hard. He's working to understand SQL. Very good, very good. Keep it up, and I will request everyone, guys. You know why we started only 2 days SQL, and I think Sandeep and all you guys know that when I used to take ETL, I used to take 5 days. The reason is SQL needs a good practice. Okay, so if I'm taking only Saturday and Sunday, you have Monday to Friday. Keep on practicing this. If you're not practicing, yeah, it's of no use. I will tell you very straightforward. No use. It's a waste of time. So practice it. Okay, so this was all about, we had a good discussion, and I hope you guys have understood. Very clear. Keep on asking questions. Fine. So I think we have completed this yesterday, right?
Yes. Yes.
Shall we move to the next assignment?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Move to the next assignment. This was the next. This is the next. Okay. What is the first question? Write a SQL query to fetch department-wise count of employees. Who will tell
Yeah.
me? I don't know the
Two
answer.
by
No,
department
Sandeep will
count
not
of
tell.
employees.
Sandeep will not tell. Sandeep will not tell. Who wants to go next?
Sir, I will try.
Yeah, sure. Tell me.
I have already sent you that assignment, but now let me try.
Sure. Tell me what should be the query for this. Very good. Tell me.
What is the question?
The question is, write a SQL query to fetch department-wise count of employees. So I want to know in each department, HR, sales, and this department is null. How many employees are working in HR department? How many employees are working in sales department? And how many is employee doesn't have any department?
So can
So
you
what to
please
say?
copy this in the table itself, that query?
Question I have copied.
Question.
Let me
Yeah.
copy the
That will be.
question.
So select count.
Select count.
Select count. Mark. Select count. Employee. So emp ID. Emp name. So what?
Select count star comma.
Sir, in the count star itself, we can write emp ID or emp name.
Count of emp ID. ठीक है.
From department.
From department. Okay. ठीक है.
And now to use the group by, we have to add emp ID at the first place. So select emp ID comma count. Emp name you can say emp name, comma, count emp id, from department, group by department. Oh,
Emp name will come, no?
yes, yes,
Because
emp
you have
name.
used here.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let me execute this query. Now see, here what is happening, you are counting the employee ID, okay, and you're grouping by employee name, okay. But what I have asked, okay, first of all, let me analyze this manually, then I will write query. Or you guys want me to write query directly? Let me write query directly.
Should I type myself?
Yeah, tell me.
You can write select department count count of employees
Count
employee
of
name
employee name, okay.
group by department.
Department group by
So
department.
it will show number count of employee based on department.
Okay. Okay. HR2 employees, is it correct? HR2 employees. Okay.
Yes.
Sales, how many employees? 3 employees. Okay.
Yes.
Null,
Yes.
only 2 employees. So I think
Yes.
this is correct query.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Hope this is clear to everyone.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
We have
Okay.
to use department at the first place in my.
Yeah, you have to use
Yes,
department
correct.
here, and then you can. Okay. And I will twist this query a little bit. Okay. Let me modify this query a little bit and then tell me what should be the output now. And then Sandeep, you can try now. The window is open for
Okay.
you.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I've inserted this record 1A HR. Okay, this is the written in front of you now. Okay, now I am running this query again. What Shivanshu has given me. Now tell me, is this giving me the correct output
No,
or
no,
not? Is
we
this the
have
correct
to write.
output?
No, no, yeah. No, not correct output. Instead of employee name, count of distinct employee name.
Okay, this is incorrect, right? Why this
Yeah,
is
this is
incorrect?
incorrect. Because
Don't.
duplicate.
Duplicate value also.
Right. Okay. Got it. So here we are having duplicate record. In the HR, this record is duplicate. So this query is telling that in HR we have 3 employees, right? But in HR, how many employees are there? We have only 2 employees in HR, right? A and B.
Correct.
Are you getting? So
Getting.
that is why you should use distinct count of distinct employee name. Is this clear?
Clear, sir.
Shivanshu, is this clear?
Yes, I have one question.
Yeah, tell me.
Actually, I have tried by myself also this logic. Whenever if we are not having any of the duplicate record, then also we can use distinct. It will give same value.
Very good, very good. Make it a habit that you should use distinct. But here I cannot tell that instead inside count always use distinct, because that depends on scenario. I will give you some more scenarios now. That depends on the scenario. Okay. Is that fine?
Yes. Okay.
Okay. So here you will use count of distinct. I will show you some other examples. So that depends. So I cannot tell that always whenever you have count, use distinct. Sometimes you have to use count of employee name as well. So okay. So this
Let's
question have,
suppose. Let's suppose you have removed last one
this one.
HR.
Okay.
Yes, you have removed. Okay, and now you are executing distinct a name. Then it will give the same answer, no?
Answer will be same. You will get the
Yes.
same answer. Correct.
Okay.
Answer will be same. Fine. Good. This query, all have you all tried this query? Anyone who is
Yeah,
I was
having
creating
not-
that employee table. Yeah, yeah.
anyone
not
who wants me
understanding
to
the
write a
question.
query? You have not understood the question. Okay. You have not understood the question. Shivanshu, okay, fine. Let me, because this was simple,
Yeah.
but I think they have missed that class. Who will tell me how to write this? Come on, first.
Yeah,
Table.
Create
Table.
employee table name. Yeah,
Yeah,
table.
table.
Oh, sorry. Table.
table employee.
Employee.
Yeah, brackets.
Mhm.
Yeah, that in the employee ID,
Employee ID.
number,
Number.
first name,
First name.
varchar 2, varchar.
Varchar 2, whatever it may be.
Yeah, last name,
Last name.
varchar.
Varchar 2.
Oh, with employee ID mandatory column. Mandatory in employee ID number. After that number not null.
So that number.
The
That is a
Not.
primary key we
constraint.
also
Yeah.
use.
We can make primary key also. Yeah, that is also
Yes.
fine.
Yes.
Okay. So, Shivanshu, is it clear? So
Yes,
I
yes.
have mentioned here that employee ID as a mandatory columns. If it is mandatory, it means it should not accept any null or blank records. So while
Okay,
creating
okay.
table, you will write not
Okay,
null here.
I was getting, I was not knowing the meaning as mandatory. Means I was not
Okay.
knowing. Okay, not null will
Mandatory
come.
means mandatory means this should not accept null or blank values. So how you can do, well, while creating table, you implement this condition not null. Okay.
Yes.
Now, yeah, you're telling.
Actually, I know the meaning of not null and primary key, but I was not able to understand the question.
Okay. So is it clear now? Understood?
Yes, yes.
Okay, perfect. So do one thing, everyone. So we have created, so you create this table, and after that, try to insert some null records in this employee ID. Okay, and then check what the error message you're getting. Hope you all will try this.
Yes.
Yeah, yes, definitely.
Okay. Perfect. Very good. Next question. Create a voter list table with voter ID, voter name, and age as columns, where age must be greater than 18 years. Anyone who has tried?
No, sir, I forgotten what I have to put constraint in age.
No
I
one has
forgot
tried
the
this.
constraint.
I had tried.
Yeah, I have tried, but I have forgotten what I have to put in age constraint. What that constraint name?
See, I will show you this. I think in ETL as well, I have taught this check constraints. You see, this is the one.
Yes. Yeah, okay, yeah. Check. Okay.
Check.
ID
Just
must
you
be
have to
greater than
use,
18. Okay. Check.
better let me write this query, otherwise that will be confusion. Set query. Write me a query for this. First of all, you guys understood the question or not? Is the question clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Age should
You have
be
So you
not.
have
greater than
to
18.
again you hints. Okay, you have to use check condition here. Like if you see this one, I have created an employee table. ID is one column, name is another column, and then the condition was that ID must be greater than 5. This was the condition. So you have used check ID greater than 5. Similarly, here I mentioned that age must be greater than 18 years. So you have to write age, check age greater than 18. Will you guys try this now? Means as a homework?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay,
we will.
okay.
Sure, or you want me to write a query for this now?
No,
No, we will
No need,
try.
sir.
Try no? Okay, try that and then do positive and negative testing both. Try to insert a record with age less than 18 years and see what is happening. And then with age is equal to 18 and with age greater than 18. Okay, you guys will try, no? This is very important.
Yes.
You should try this, okay? And we will
Yeah.
discuss this in the next class. If I forgot this, please remind me. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Check off ID.
Fine. Write a SQL query to fetch duplicate records. Okay. I think yesterday I have shared some interview questions with you. Okay. So this is a very important question, guys. If anyone is trying to attend the interview, you should go through this. And please keep a track of my LinkedIn posts, whatever I'm posting there. Those are also very useful SQL queries. Okay. Go through that. And don't think that I'm telling that for my advertisement, that like, subscribe, share, and all those things. Okay. Just go through that. Those are very important SQL concepts I am discussing there. And down the line, maybe from next week, I will try to post some questions related to Python as well. Okay, now let's move to the next question. That is SQL query to fetch duplicate records. Okay, you all have tried this? I know you all have tried, but let me.
Can you tell if the answer is correct?
Sorry, what you're telling? Oh, yeah, pinged. Select concept.
See if it is correct or not.
This is correct. This is correct, Shivanshu. This is correct. But before this, I have to explain one more concept. Okay. Just a minute. Job table department. But guys, I'm repeating. If you have to spend some time on a daily basis, at least 2 to 3 hours in sequence. Okay. Don't only rely on my what I can say lectures. Okay. This is just a path I'm showing. You have to walk on this path. Okay, so I've created a table department here. Table has been created. And now the requirement is to find the duplicates. Okay, the first of all, no, okay, data has been inserted. Before to find duplicates, first of all, try to understand what is duplicate. Okay, let's try to understand what is duplicate. No, okay. So, okay, no, I'm taking the example of this table. I want to show you something to understand. First of all, we should understand what is duplicate. If, okay, shall I start? Everything is fine?
Yeah, fine.
Okay. So first of all, let's try to understand what duplicate mean. Okay. If I'm concentrating on a student ID column, I'm concentrating only on a student ID column. Now, is this a duplicate or not? One,
Yeah, duplicate.
duplicate. Two,
Duplicate.
three,
No.
No duplicate.
no,
Not duplicate.
four,
Yes.
Duplicate.
duplicate. Okay, very good. If I consider student ID and name, this two, okay? Listen
Okay.
very carefully. 1A, this is a duplicate or
Yeah.
not?
Duplicate.
2B,
Duplicate.
3C,
Not duplicate.
4D.
Duplicate.
Very good. Now twist will come here. 1A physics, is this duplicate?
No.
No. Why it is coming now? 1A is coming
Two
again.
different subjects.
But chemistry. Second one is
Oh,
chemistry.
okay. Subject is different. Everyone is understanding this concept? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So whenever anyone is asking you, write a SQL query to fetch the duplicate records. So before writing the query, ask the question that on which columns you are considering duplicate. Okay, on which columns
Yeah.
you are considering duplicate. So interviewers, they will ask this kind of questions and you will start writing some query. No, first of all, ask them that you are considering duplicates on which column. Do you have any primary key in this table? Do you have any composite primary key? Or if you don't have any primary keys, tell me which column combination I have to consider. That should be your first question. Okay. So whenever I used to take interviews, very few they will ask this question. They will start writing some query. They will assume some column on their own as a duplicate candidate for duplicates. Is this clear, guys?
Yeah, clear.
Very good. Very good. So this is the definition of duplicate. Now let's come to that query. So here I have asked you, where is the question? Write a SQL query to fetch duplicate records. I have not mentioned anything right now.
Yeah.
I have not mentioned which one is duplicate, ID or name or the combination of that. Nothing I mentioned. I've just mentioned write a SQL query to fetch duplicate records. So this is incorrect. Sorry, this is an incomplete question actually. Okay.
Yeah.
This is an incomplete question. No. Okay. So far so good. So far, is it clear, guys?
Yeah, clear.
Anyone who wants me to repeat, not understood, Tanvir, please tell me. Please. Anyone who wants me to repeat?
No.
Sure, everyone? Very important person. Okay, fine. If you've understood, very good. So now we have to write a query to find duplicates. And here we are assuming that employee ID. On employee ID, we have to check duplicate is there or not. Okay, first of all, take the example of employee ID, then we will see the combinations and all these things. Okay. So if you have to write that you have duplicates or not. So this is the query. Select employee ID. Now, first of all, I will write a full query. Then I will tell you how to shortcut this. No, leave this. Shall I run this query?
Yes.
Group by.
Group by is missing. Group by is missing. Okay. Group by.
MPID.
Okay, very good. Okay, let me run this. Okay, let's try to understand this, guys. Very important concept. Okay. I've not sorted this.
Order by MPID.
Priority 1, 2, 3. This is sorted in order, no? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Why this employee ID 1, 2 count start 2 is coming? Why?
Yeah, it have two records. One HR. Yeah,
Oh,
one
one
HR,
HR and one HR. Oh, this is coming twice. That's why 2 is coming, right?
Yes.
Is this
Yes.
clear to everyone?
Yes.
This data?
Yes.
Clear?
Yeah.
Clear. Now the question is, I want to see the duplicates. So what should be the filter condition? Who will tell me?
Having count of star greater than 1.
Having
Count star
Count of star greater than 1.
count of a star
Greater
greater
than 1.
1. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Now, if I execute this,
1, 2, 3.
SQL command not properly entered. Oh, spelling mistake. Okay, 1, 2, 3. These are the employee IDs which are duplicate. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Everyone
Yes, sir.
Yeah, clear.
clear? Okay, fine. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. What else I was telling? I forgot. Thought of changing something here. But 1 minute, guys. Okay, I'm looking for some different scenarios. The scenarios are not there, no? Okay. Scenarios. I have to create the scenarios. Okay. This is clear. Okay. So now I am doing some modification in this table.
We cannot use select ID common name.
ID common name. I'm coming here. I'm coming. I will come to
Okay.
that. Okay, I'll come to that. I'm thinking of creating some scenarios. Okay. Okay, this is clear, right? So
Yes,
I am
sir.
deleting
Yeah,
data, and then I have to create some more scenarios. Okay. Delete from department. Delete from department. That was deleted 1 AHR, and then consider this is 1 A B C D E F G H. I know that it is not possible that two different employees can have the same employee ID, but just for the sake, okay, for to cater this requirement, I'm doing all these things. Okay. So I have done some modification in the data now. Now let's try to understand this new data set I'm preparing. Okay, fine. This is the new data set. Okay. And I'm learning this query again. Try to understand. Very important concept and very general interview question. Everyone is asking this is 1, 2, 3. 1 is coming twice, correct?
Yeah.
2 is coming twice, 3 is coming twice. This is clear. Now the requirement is changed. The interviewer is telling that no, I want duplicate based on employee ID and employee name. Employee ID and employee name. So you have to write both the columns after select. Employee ID and employee name, both the columns after select, and then in group by as well, you have to write employee name. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, clear.
Okay, but before this, let me delete this condition. We will come to this condition after some time. Let's analyze the query first of all. What is coming here? Analyze the data. Always try to analyze it. Okay, then you will get some good command on SQL language. Order by employee ID. Okay, why 1A1 is coming, 1H1 is coming separately?
Yeah, because H is employee name is changing, right? We are grouping the both employee ID and employee name.
Correct. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yeah, like that.
Everyone, Vedinathan, Akshay,
Yes, clear.
Yes, sir.
Clear, no?
Yeah.
So you understood the importance, no, of when I have added 2 columns. So it is taking the duplicates based on the 2 columns. Now 1A is 1 record, 1H is 1 record. But in the previous case, I have taken only employee ID, and for 1, the 2 records was coming because we are considering only this particular column. And for this particular column, we have 2 records. Hope this is clear.
Clear, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
But why this 3C is coming twice? Do you have 3C twice? 3C
2 times.
3C is coming 2 times.
Yeah.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, if I will ask you that, okay, calculate the duplicates, very simple, having
Count star greater than 1.
star greater than 1. So
Only
from
3C
this
count.
example, what I want to highlight is if someone is asking you the question, tell me the duplicates, the first question is, tell me the columns on which you want me to find the duplicates. Now, see, the result has changed.
Yes.
Result has
Changed.
Shivanshu, is this clear?
Clear. Yes.
Clear? Okay, you all understood now? So this is the importance. Okay. Now, now I'm changing the data a little bit again. Okay. was inserted. Okay, this is the new set of data, guys, in front of you. Okay.
Yeah.
Again, I'm repeating entire query one by one so that you can do the analysis and that you can revise in that way. 1 is coming twice, 2 is coming twice, 3 is coming twice. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Because now we are considering duplicates based on employee ID. Okay. Now the
Yes, sir.
combination of employee ID and employee name.
No data.
No data found. No, 3C will come. 3C, right? 3C
Yeah,
is
3C
here.
will come.
3C will
Yeah.
come. Okay. But now, you know, the
Yeah.
interviewer, they have changed the question and they are telling that no, I want duplicates based on employee ID, employee name, and a department. Okay. Now they're telling
Yeah.
that, okay. So for this, so first of all, let's analyze this entire query, and then we will see what duplicate and all those things is coming. That is simple. Just apply a filter condition having count star.
Sir,
Together.
group by function.
Oh, okay. Good catch.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. 1A HR, 1A HR and all those things. Oh, but
Yeah.
but this is a mistake. This is here. This is a mistake. No, earlier
No,
3C was.
HR and sales.
Okay,
Department is
okay. Here the department is different, and that is why
Yes.
they are showing this records in two different rows.
Different.
Correct? Okay,
Yes.
okay. Good catch. Good catch. I was thinking that it should show two. So you guys understood it? Is it
Yes.
clear?
Yeah.
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 Everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, if you want to see duplicates, very simple. Just apply the condition. So if you know the logic,
Yeah.
then don't have to bother about the conditions and all those things. Having
Yeah, now
constant greater than 1.
Yeah.
Now,
No
do you
data
have any
found.
duplicates? No data
No
found.
data.
Okay.
Yeah.
No data found because if you're considering that these 3 columns, you don't have any duplicates here. Oh, any confusion?
No, sir.
No.
Anyone who wants me to repeat?
No.
No.
No. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. So leave till here. Okay. Because for all these concepts, so first of all, I will start joins. And then I will teach you that these concepts will take some time because this needs a concept of inner join and all those things. Okay, then we will start. So that's all for today, guys. I have some commitment, and then we will meet again on Saturday. This week is the second week or third week?
For me, it's second week.
Second week.
Okay, third week. Not sure whenever Saturday. So whatever week it may be. Anyone who is in an urgency that we please wrap up it quickly. I have to attend some interview or something like that. Anyone?
No, I think so.
Nothing. Okay. So guys, I need 2 more weeks. Okay, because the next week I want to dedicate for joins. Okay. And then we will use this concepts what we have discussed so far in combination with joins. And then this few more concepts are there from here. These all are very, very important. Okay, then 1 week or 1 day is sufficient for this analytic functions. Maybe two classes will be required.
Okay.
These are the so analytic functions. This I know that you will not be using much, but you should know this. Okay, you should know all those things. Generally, data analytics, data scientists, they will use this analytics functions, tiled, roll up, sum over, lead, lag, and all these things. Okay. So
Yeah.
that's all for today. Final call. Any question?
So, what is the target for this week assignment wise? You are giving me questions or?
No, I didn't get your question, Akshay. Can you repeat?
So I just want to ask any assignment for today.
Yeah, I will share. I will share today. By end of day or maybe by tomorrow you can expect because I'll be occupied today and it takes time to prepare some assignments. Okay.
Sure.
So
Sure.
I will share and then we can discuss those on the next class. Okay.
Yeah.
Any feedback, anything you want me to modify? I am interested in negative feedback. Anything, any modification required in topic and content in assignment? Maybe if you think that your assignment is very simple, please make it more complicated or something like that. Anyone? No? All good?
No. Yeah.
Okay, fine. ठीक है फिर. That's all, guys. We'll meet you in the next class Saturday. Please revise it. Yeah, I really appreciate the momentum you guys have and the energy level you guys are showing. So this also encouraged me to share some new concepts. That's very good. Keep up this momentum. Okay. Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Bye. Sir.